youth of the district, enabling them to secure suitable employment and livelihood opportunities. We believe that this proactive strategy will promote smooth integration of youth from various skilling programs into the workforce. To the employers present here, this is a chance for you to connect with our talented pool of candidates equipped with the skills that your businesses require to thrive. I would urge on you to invest on their potential, and together you can build a future-ready workforce. I extend my sincere appreciation for your dedication in providing job and career opportunities for our youth. Your commitment to talent acquisition and development is not only strengthens your organization, but also enriches the lives of those you employ. The youth, I would say, take this opportunity with no fear. Each recruiter has been vetted by Mssds, and we assure you that they will give you all the support you need if you take up jobs, even if it is outside the state or outside the country. Grab this opportunity, see what they have to offer, analyze if it suits your aspiration. If it does, if that is what you want to do, ask yourself, is this the job I want to do? And if it is yes, take the offer. If you are not sure that your parents will support you or allow you, no problem. Take the details to your parents today, come back tomorrow, bring them along, and we will be happy to speak with them and counsel them and to assure them that we will be with you all along the way. And to the youth who are looking to upskill themselves, there are a lot of free training programs offered and funded by Mssds. These programs not only impart skilling, but also provide post-training assistance. We will support you after the training, either in terms of placement or in terms of support for you to start your own enterprise. This is a chance to invest yourself without any financial burden for your family or yourselves, and to receive the necessary support to embark on your journey towards success. Take advantage of this opportunity and let it be a stepping stone towards your future. Same with for you also, explore, ask questions, see, ask yourself, what will I do after this training? What I want to do after this training? Do I want a placement? Will this help me get a job? Or will this help me set up my own enterprise? If the answer is yes, please register yourself and enroll for the skill training program without hesitation.
To be similar, the approach of those things to be similar. Job market, this is called a job market. They can call job fair or job market. By definition, market is a place where transaction takes place, or the place where the buyers and the sellers meet. Traditionally, market is physical. With the evolution of time, new development, this has become not only physical but abstract. We have online market, we have online shopping that we don't need physically, but we simply demand online, and this is the job market. And it's very disheartening to see that for the last 4 or 5 years we have started job providers that in DDU what we call PIA, Project Implementing Agency, are coming to the district every year, almost every year, to meet the job seekers, to meet the qualified youth, to meet the unemployed youth of the district. To them, to the PIAs, to the employers, I would like to tell you that West Castles is a powerhouse for many good things. We have here talented people in terms of many things. We have strong human resources in terms of strength and health. We have large availability of workforce supply, and which is positive for the world of today. The world has a new development. We see, and we are at a stage of low growth, globally. Low growth globally. One of the reasons for this low growth in the world is falling birth rate, aging of population. That was South Korea worry, that was Japan worries, that was the Chinese worries, and of course, we are privileged that India has a young population, but we are be far from the cycle, from the phase, from the stage that other countries are experiencing. To the PIAs, to the job employers, I would like to tell you that please tap the resources that we have in workforces. Tap them in giving them the skill. One, giving them the exposure. Two, giving them accessibility to the world. Three, give them new technology. We promise that we will support everything. I have a query from company that whether PIAs from outside the states are here, but it is understood that all the PIAs, all the employers that are here are from Meghalaya. Okay, I request all the PIAs that be sincere with this program. I hope that you will find resources, you will find talented persons, you will find sincere workforce, you will find many things with this market.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center